What's up guys, Makeups Out here. Welcome back to my channel. So before I get started with this video, if you hear noise in the background or screaming or anything like that, my daughter is literally right next to me watching Peppa Pig. So try to ignore that, but if you can't, then sorry. But anyways, on to the video. Today I'm going to be doing a hair unboxing. I wasn't actually planning on doing this video because I kind of wanted to do a how I made this wig video pretty much. I've done so many unboxing videos, well I haven't did a lot, but I've done a couple and I feel like they're maybe starting to get repetitive. I don't know, but I didn't want to do one. But when I got this package and I saw the frontal, I was like, hold up, we need to talk. We need to have a little conversation. Let's move on to the hair. So the company that I got the hair from was on Aliexpress, and I believe it's pronounced Gabrielle or Gabrielle. I'll have the picture of the store and the name over here on this side of the screen. I got the hair in the lengths 20, 18, 16, and a 14-inch 360 frontal. Those are the lengths that I got. And this is how the hair came packaged. It just came in this United States Postal Service bag. And the bag actually came with like little rips in it. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but like my whole finger can go through the bag. There's my nail. And that's actually how the package was when I got it out of my mailbox. I don't really blame the company for that. I really blame the Postal Service, but it's just hair, so it's not that serious. And yeah, I opened the package with one hand, so ignore the raggediness of this package. So we're not here for the package, we're here for what's inside the package. So let's just, this is what the hair looked like when I took it out of the package. As I said before, I got a 20, a 16, and an 18. It came with a rubber band around all of the bundles. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. And I'm going to start with the 20-inch bundle. No, I'll start with the 18-inch bundle. And it also has a rubber band around the top of the bundle as well. And when you get this hair, it does not come with any information about the company, any information about what kind of hair you got. Like, it just says BodyWave and 18-inch. I believe I got Peruvian, but let me double check really quick. So I actually got Indian BodyWave. I thought it was Peruvian, but it's not. I got Indian BodyWave. And as I said before, it doesn't tell you anything about the company when they send you the package. It didn't say anything about what kind of hair you got. So in order to know, like, you got Indian, just in case you ordered 2 different kinds of hair from 2 different sellers or something, yeah, you might want to go back and check because it didn't say anything about that. Yummy. Okay, so they put the 100% human hair wrapped around the neck. So I'm just going to take this off. Okay, so the hair is really soft. It's got some good bounce to it. Okay, I got a few strands from the 18-inch bundle. It looks like it might be. It's 1 long strand and like 2 medium strands. Or, nope, a medium, a long strand, and then a small one. Which isn't that bad because I've had some hair that was absolutely horrible. So that's doable. For the 18-inch, 16-inch, 20-inch, and the 14-inch 360 frontal, I paid $84.69. $84.69, which I think is a good price. I could have paid a lot more, which I would have been willing to, but I just decided to get this because I kind of wanted to test the waters with a 360 frontal. I didn't want to spend a whole bunch of money and actually completely mess it up. Shipping on this hair was actually pretty good because I ordered it on April 23rd. Yeah, I ordered it on April 23rd and it got here on April 26th. I was expecting it to get here on like the 29th or something like that, closer to May, because that's what it said. It gave me May 2nd, I believe. May 2nd was like the latest date, and it came really fast. Their customer service was really good. Whenever I did contact them, they responded within like a day. So their customer service is pretty good. They were really nice, and I didn't have any issues with that. So as for the length goes for this 18-inch, it goes about just under, okay, there we go, just under my boob pretty much. So that's a pretty good length. I definitely don't think this is a full 18-inch. It's probably like 19. Yeah, it's probably like 19. This hair does not have any smell to it at all. I don't really know where people get the whole Aliexpress the hair stinks thing from, because I've never had any problems with my hair smelling bad from Aliexpress at all. It just smells like hair. I mean, if your hair smells like corn chips or something, then of course be upset. But if it just smells like beauty supply store hair or just regular hair, then it should be fine. Maybe I'm the only one that's never had an issue, but we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next bundle. I'm gonna put this, I don't want to put this back in the net. No, I don't. Now we're gonna move on to the 20-inch. And this just says the same thing on the package as well. BodyWave 20-inch natural color. It doesn't say anything about what kind of hair you got or the company or anything like that. We have a situation. Come on. Okay, so this is the 20-inch. I don't know why this seems a little short to me. It could be because I've been wearing straight hair for so long, but this seems a little on the short side. And again, this just smells like hair. It doesn't stink at all. And let's see, the shedding. Okay, I got one strand. From that, I did feel a tangle, but it was a light tangle. It came right out. That was the only one. The luster on this hair is actually really pretty. It has a nice shine to it. The wefts on here look a lot fuller than the wefts on the 18-inch bundle. Let's turn it this way. No. Yeah. The wefts on this bundle look a lot better than the 18-inch. And they're thin as well. And this bundle is also really, really soft. I just got one more tangle out of that. Okay, there's one right there. And this one goes to, I don't even think you guys can see that. It goes to like my hip almost. Let's see if I can show you guys. It comes to like right here. It comes to about like right here. So yeah, it could be maybe about 20 inches exact, because I don't feel like this is any longer than 20 at all. And so far I just got the one strand. The ends of the bundle look pretty good. They don't look frayed, or they don't look like they have any split ends. And the bundle does get thinner when it goes down. It's not full throughout. It gets thinner about like right in here, which is usual. And I believe that the 18-inch bundle was the same way. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the 16-inch. But I feel like the 16-inch will probably be the same. But we're going to look at it anyways. I actually don't like that they put this little piece or label thing after the net. I think it's kind of annoying. But I know you have to take it off anyway, but that could just be me. The net is stuck somewhere. Whoa. This 16-inch is really soft. I don't know why. This bundle is so much softer than the other two, but this one is really soft. And it also looks like it has more shine to it too. But yeah, it looks really thick as well. And the shedding, I haven't got any strands from this, and I haven't gotten one tangle at all. I really like this bundle. And this is what the weft looks like. Let's see if I can. So this is what the weft looks like. It's also really thick as well, and then the weft is still thin, and the ends look pretty good as well. And it still goes thin towards the ends. And I'm going to show you what all the bundles look like together, and then I'm going to move my hair out the way. There we go. This is what all the bundles look like together. And it is pretty full, actually. I plan on making a unit out of these, as I usually do. I don't really like sew-ins that much. Alright, you guys, my camera is about to die, so if I start talking faster, that's why, because I'm not trying to get my other battery to finish out the rest of this video. So, oh, don't die, don't die, don't die. This is the 360 frontal. Now, this is the reason why I wanted to make this video, because this 360 frontal, to me, in my opinion, is questionable, I guess is a good word to use, because the hair is still soft. It's even softer than the 16-inch. I don't know why it keeps on getting softer as it goes down in lengths, but this 16-inch bundle feels amazing. It is so soft. It had a few tangles in it, which I was playing with it before, so I wouldn't be surprised if it did have tangles. But yeah, it's really soft, but my issue is kind of with the lace. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, which is kind of hard for me to show you guys, and I will insert pictures over here of when I tried it on, and I was like, what the heck. So the middle half of this right here, where the baby hairs are, which the frontal does come with baby hairs, which they are really long. These are the baby hairs. They're really long. And it's only in the very front. You don't get any baby hairs on the sides or anything like that. But the frontal in this middle half right here is so thick. and the frontal on the sides are thinner, but this is so thick, and the hairline is not plucked at all. But in the description of the frontal, it says that it was pre-plucked, and it does not look plucked at all. That was a lie, or at least it looks like it is to me. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below if it looks like this was pre-plucked or not. But I'm gonna get closer. About right here. Okay, there we go. So this is the hairline on this. It dips down like a widow's peak. And in the back right here, you can see the band a little bit. It stops right at that adjustable strap. I wish they would have took it up a little bit further, or down a little bit further onto the actual lace, so that way it would have looked like a natural hairline. The middle kind of looks like Elvis Presley, and I will post a picture of Elvis Presley right here. That is what the middle of this looked like to me. It's really thick through here, and it looks like Elvis Presley's flat top looking haircut. It's it for this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.